In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Android phone activation date. Okay, let's get started. Click on the phone app or dial pad. Now click star hash 06 hash then hash. You will see the email number for your phone. Now click on the back button or the home screen button. Then go to Play Store, search device info. The first app here, you see I've already installed it. Click on it. Then open it. Skip the adverts. Now after coming to this page, click on device. Now scroll down, you will see various information about your device. Just check everything here. After checking everything, click on system. Now this is where it gets really interesting. Now scroll down here, you will see a place labeled build time. You will see 5th of March 2024. This is the time that the Android version working on this phone was built, meaning the activation date cannot be earlier than 5th of March 2024.